Don't you want to do it back here and catch the...
How do I increase the magnification?
Increase the magnification? Yeah, you just rotate it.
That way?
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
Okay. We're shooting another tannerite target.
There's 6.
Out there.
Alright, right smack in the middle of the can, is that what you did, Michael?
Yep.
Right dead center. Right, so you put that scope right dead center.
Man, it's moving. Come on.
Yeah, don't jiggle. Now imagine that's a deer. Got your adrenaline going about 90 miles an hour.
I don't know, I heard the pull is on this thing.
5 pounds. Right?
I don't know about that. That's
No,
huh?
Is this safety red
Push.
exposed?
Should be pushed that way.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
Sorry.
Not a left-handed. He hasn't modified this one. It's not a. That's why I'm taking in it to get a crisper pull.
Alright, something else. Oh.
The other trigger.
He didn't have the trigger guard up all the way.
Holy shit.
Cock it like a cowboy gun.